Hi, I'm Jay, and this is our demo unit. We often get questions as to what the individual components are, so we thought we'd talk about that today. So on this demo unit, this is the return air ductwork. So this would be the ductwork that brings the air from your home into your furnace to get heated or cooled. So on the side here, we happen to have a return air grill, like you'd typically find on the wall or ceiling of a home. So the air would come down here through the return air grill, down this duct. This happens to be a humidistat. This can be mounted on the return air duct, which is the most common location you'll find these humidistats. This one is a digital one. There are mechanical ones as well. They are, again, most often mounted on the return air duct, although sometimes they can be mounted, certain models at least, inside the home. And when they're done that way, they are often very closely mounted to the thermostat. So like within a foot or two of the thermostat. So anyways, the air from your home would be sucked in the return air grill, come down this duct, go this way, go through the air cleaner, into the furnace. There's a blower down here in this furnace. Inside here is the heating chamber. So it goes through the heat exchanger, the air goes up through the heat exchanger. This happens to be a cooling coil. So if you have air conditioning, you'll have one of these directly above your furnace. So inside of this is a radiator looking device. So the air goes through this, would be cooled in the summertime. Then it goes up into the supply plenum and gets discharged into your home. So in the wintertime, the supply plenum, there'd be hot air in this, and it would blow up into the ductwork and come out of the registers in your house. This is the flue pipe for the furnace. We don't happen to have a gas line attached to this demo unit, but if we did, flue gas would go up through this and then outside the home. The air cleaner here, this happens to be an AprilAire 5000 air cleaner. And if you look closely at the front, you'll see it mentions the model number here. So the air comes from your home through the return air grill, down the return air duct, happens to pass the humidistat, goes down, goes through the air cleaner, gets cleaned, goes into the furnace, gets heated in the wintertime or cooled in the summertime, comes up into the supply plenum, and gets blown back into your home. Our demo unit has this humidifier. This is a model 600 AprilAire mounted to the side of it. You'll see there's a model number here, and there's also a sticker over here on the side that gives you the model and serial number. This one being a 600, it's a bypass style humidifier. So there's a 6-inch round bypass duct that's attached here, and it comes around, and it's attached to the return air ductwork, which we discussed earlier. There's also a drain line on this humidifier, so whenever the humidifier is running, water will trickle down the drain. Here's the water line, and this is the low voltage control wiring for the humidifier. That drain comes down here and then gets attached to the air conditioner drain here. They go together and they go down. This particular model happens to be set up with a condensate pump for our demonstration room here. This is the cooling coil, supply plenum. So in the wintertime, the furnace would heat the air. It would then blow it through the cooling coil, which would not be functional in the wintertime. The air would then go into the supply plenum here, go up, and come out and get blown into your home. Thanks for watching. For additional help or questions, feel free to contact us.